Welcome to the Pearson Test of English, also known as PTE. This is the speaking section, and the training video is on the question Read a lecture. This is the test format. You are ideally given 3 to 4 items, and the lecture usually lasts for up to 90 seconds. Your content, pronunciation, and oral fluency is checked here. The prep time given is 10 seconds, while you are given 40 seconds to complete the lecture. You need to repeat the lecture in your own words. This can cover various topics. The diagram prompts will also be given. Now here are some strategies to do this type of question. Listen carefully for clues. This could include the speaker's attitude, opinion or stance. Look at the image for reference. Look at the tone of voice and delivery. When you're taking down notes, use bullet points or arrows. Identify names, numbers, dates, time, words, and phrases that the speaker is using. Make sure you frame proper sentences before speaking them into the microphone. Utilize the 10 seconds of time to formulate your ideas. Speak as soon as you hear the tone. Do not pause for more than 3 seconds as the microphone will switch off. Do not use any artificial accent or try to imitate a native speaker. Try using less pauses and fillers. Use correct pronunciation. If there are too many points, you can ignore articles and vowels if necessary. On approaching 35 seconds, conclude the lecture. Speak clearly. Remember, when you're taking down notes, you don't need to write full sentences as you will lose out on time, and therefore ignore articles and vowels at this point. Focus on the main points and do not digress. Make sure you use conjunctions, collocations, and articles to form the sentence when you're finally speaking into the microphone. Now let us take a look at what the task is all about. You will hear an audio which will play automatically. An image may be given for clues. Once the audio is over, you will have 10 seconds to prepare. The recording status box displays a countdown until the microphone opens. You will hear a short tone. Make sure you speak immediately. You should speak very clearly. Finish speaking before the progress bar reaches the end. The word recording at this point will change to completed. You're only able to record your response once. You can use the erasable notebook booklet to take notes. Now you will hear a series of audio clips. You will listen to these lectures one after the other. Make sure you pause the audio after each lecture and first take down your answer. Once you are done, you can check with the answer key provided. Some of the common problems that candidates encounter in this type of question are the inability to understand accents or getting confused while looking at the image. At times, some candidates are unable to follow the audio. They might find it too fast. Inability to properly organize your ideas while listening. Fear of not finishing on time. Problem in describing the content due to lack of vocabulary. Sometimes shifting focus from the audio to the image, including too much information. Here are some tips and techniques to do this task properly. Use jargon like the professor endorses or the lecturer or speaker talks about or the speaker mentions. Use apt vocabulary. Do not write down every word you hear. You can lose marks for abrupt endings. In case you can't remember the lecture, use the image as a reference. Topic sentence is compulsory. Writing notes quickly is a key skill, so work on that. At this point, you can ignore articles. You can even ignore vowels from words to increase the writing speed when note taking. Try to include names, numbers, dates, times, words, and phrases. Listen for clues to the speaker's attitude, opinion, or stance. If you lose your train of thought, do not remain silent. Do not pause for more than 3 seconds. Frame sentences using articles and prepositions. You can utilize the image as a backup strategy. That is the end of this training video. All the best with your practice.